Ni hao, bonjour, aloha, hi. We're the team number 3. We're conformed by Tamara Gomez, Edgar Calderón, Patrick Kerley, and me, Sofia Barrientos. Well, let's get started. Well, the binary salts are a form of naming compounds of metals and non-metals. It uses both types of elements to determine the characteristic of them, representing ionic bonds.
First of all, you must have the metal name and the non-metal name. It's pretty easy to determine if one has the valence electron. For example, it's normally the metal. And after this, you must know the polarity of each element. For example, if it's a cation or if it's a anion. Then you must write the AXBY formula and write it another time with Y, B, and X. And if you have the possibility, you should cancel it, but only if it's possible. And yes, once you have that, you are left with the formula of the binary salt. Here in A, you have the metal in the normal form plus the B that is the non-metal, but you must write with an I at the end if possible, because there are some cases where it's impossible, but never mind.
After what my teammate just explained, you have to change their polar chargers, and if you can, like really try to cancel them. Once having this, you can determine the name by adding the metal name plus the non-metal name with the IDE in the end. If your element has another level of oxidation, you must write the number of cations after the metal in Roman numbers. Side note, you can write this in the classic way, having the bigger valence on one end with the minus IC and on the other with the minus US. If the compound has more than one valence per metal, we can write this in both these next forms, the mother one or the classic, and you have to write the number of valence after the Y, as well as the one that has more valence in electron must end with O's and the one with the less ends with A's. You must write the metal in Latin as well.
To do the opposite, you must separate both element names and undo the polar charge. Once done that, you must take the ending out, and you will have the formula. 5 of the most famous examples are the following: sodium chloride, which is the table salt we all know, aluminum fluoride, calcium iodide, magnesium sulfide, and potassium bromide.
So in conclusion, wrapping up, we have explained the binary salts with some simple examples and visuals for you to understand better. Hope you enjoyed and comprehended, and see you next time.